There's a question from YouTube, Adil Loan. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Can you recommend me how to make my son a dayee? And can you give some precious advice to Muslim Ummah? As far as the question is concerned, how to make your son a dayee, number one would be that you put him in a good Islamic school, which teaches children about Islam, and see to it that when you put him in an Islamic school, he gets the knowledge of both the worlds, Deen and Dunya. Put him in an English Islamic international school, which has dual language, English and Arabic, like the one we had in our school, Islamic International School, which has English and Urdu, so that when he learns, besides English, even Arabic becomes his mother tongue. So he should be fluent in both these languages. And then, of course, once he passes his school, you can put him in Islamic college. As I mentioned earlier, that the Islamic University in Medina is one of the best ones available, and it's foreigners 50%. The other is the Islamic University in Riyadh, the Jamiat al-Imam, Muhammad bin Saud University. Other is Quran in Makkah, the universities in Qatar, in Sharjah. If you want in the non-Gulf country, it is the IIUM, University of Malaysia. That's also a wonderful university. So if you want to make a son a dayee, besides putting him in Islamic school, put him in an Islamic university, see to it that he sees the videos of dayee so that he gets inspired by them, whichever he likes. See to it that you show him regularly, maybe few times a week, and you can even do the online course at Al Hidayah platform, Let's Become Effective Dayee, which is International Dawah Training Program, and every month, inshallah, one course would be released in a month. Now already there are about 5 or 6 courses that is on the net, and this will help him get the tips on how to do dawah, and if he wants, he can even make dawah his full-time profession. And you see to it that you make him Hafiz al-Quran from a young age, maybe from the first, second standard. So we finished the Hifz in first, second, third, fourth, fifth in the first 4 years of school. We see to it that we finish the Hifz, and being Hafiz is very important. Hope that answers the question.